Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're talking about an absolutely insane trade on HFI. Just yesterday, we called this technically, saying it was ready for a reversal after a massive pump. And then, boom! The price dumped over 30% in just 3 minutes. This is why you cannot afford to miss our calls. You are missing too much if you are not following us on Telegram. For those who don't know, Hifi Finance is an Ethereum-based lending platform. And after its recent massive rally, we spotted a clear exhaustion signal at a key resistance level. As you can see from our charts, we identified the top of the move and projected the sudden downfall. Our followers were able to catch a huge short, with some seeing gains of 400% plus by leveraging that quick negative 15% candle. My knack for spotting market tops is a total game changer, and this is another masterclass in trading volatility. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now, where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.